Earn a huge amount of $1,108 by just listening to Spotify music. Everyone wants to make money, and they are happy if they don't have to do much work for this. So we have brought you amazing details on how you can earn $1,108 by just listening to music. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can earn $1,108 by just listening to Spotify music. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then keep watching this video till the end. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. There are three main ways to start making money from Spotify playlists that you own. However, the first step is arguably even more important. You need to have a playlist with real and genuine listeners. Spotify can help you earn money only if you have a list of genuine followers that listen to your playlist. This has become so easy in today's world because if you make a new social media account, you can get followers easily by getting help from your other social media accounts. The three major ways to profit from Spotify playlists are as follows. Receive payment straight from artists on song placement. Earn money by assessing music entries and considering song placements. Someone else can buy your playlist. Other ways to earn from playlists exist, but these are the most frequent. Again, it is vital to emphasize the importance of initially increasing the number of followers on your playlist with authentic, genuine, and interested listeners. Keep watching if you want to learn more about making and marketing your own Spotify playlist. You may benefit from Spotify playlists by using song placements. Directly selling playlist spots to artists, labels, and/or artist managers is one of the most simple ways to monetize your Spotify playlist. This practice is not advised because it is unethical and violates Spotify's terms and conditions. Selling placements may also provide a negative experience for your playlist listeners, since your playlist may gradually develop into a lousy playlist full of musicians who bought to be there rather than artists you actually appreciate and encourage. If the aforementioned scenario occurs, it will only be a matter of time before your listeners abandon your playlist and artists no longer would like to spend to appear on it. If you decide to take this route, a simple method to be contacted is to leave your email address in the playlist description. You would then simply need to strike a contract. By reviewing song submissions, you can earn money from Spotify playlists. This is my preferred strategy for monetizing a playlist and the one I employ. You can apply to become a playlist curator at one of two major organizations to begin earning money for evaluating song placement by assessing song submissions: SubmitHub and Playlist Push. You can apply to each of these companies if you have 1,000 genuine and active playlist followers. Playlist Push gives $1 to $12 USD per music review, but there may be fewer submissions. Whereas SubmitHub pays 50 cents USD every song review, but there may be more submissions. I enjoy this strategy because it allows you to listen to a lot of cool music without feeling obligated to add any of the songs to your playlist while still earning money from it. Furthermore, this does not violate Spotify's regulations, and these businesses do the job of delivering submissions to you. You simply have to wait for them to arrive and review them. Selling your Spotify playlist can help you make money. Finally, you may generate money from your Spotify playlist by simply building it up and then selling it to someone who wants to take it over. To do so, you need to amass a sizable fan base, demonstrate that listeners are genuine, and then locate a buyer. The obvious disadvantage is that you will not be able to generate recurring money month after month, but you will receive a lump sum payment and will no longer have to manage the playlist. Spotify Analytics, track stats and streams. To track your personal Spotify metrics, numbers, and streams, sign into your Spotify account and link a free app called Last.fm. Once connected, you'll be able to see what you're listening to on Spotify's app, web player, and any Spotify connected device. If you're a Spotify user who wants to keep track of your own song data and analytics, I've looked into how you may start tracking your Spotify streaming, such as which songs and artists you listen to the most. To track your personal Spotify analytics, data, and streams, you must first connect a free app called Last.fm to your Spotify account. After you've been linked, you'll be able to track what you listen to on the Spotify app, web player, and any Spotify connected device. Last.fm is a music discovery software that connects to mobile and websites such as Spotify, YouTube, and SoundCloud to track your listening habits and provide music recommendations. When you join to Last.fm, your listening habits are saved in the database, where you can be shown it, and it can be utilized to produce music recommendations. Last.fm refers to this transition as scrobbling. One thing to keep in mind is that Last.fm does not function backwards. This implies that it will not follow your listening history, but will instead track your listening activity when the app is connected and Spotify scrumbling is active. Last.fm, on the other hand, may be able to play broadcasts from Spotify's cache from the previous week. It's not perfect, but it allows you to save a portion of your listening history. Now the question is that how can you upload as an artist? Want to go beyond simply hosting a Spotify playlist and become an official Spotify artist? To submit your music, artwork, and artist information to Spotify as an artist, you must first sign up with one of Spotify's preferred music distributors. Thankfully, anyone can easily post music to Spotify because DistroKid came along and started allowing unlimited song uploads for a minimal annual price without taking a part of your earnings. You've come to the right place if you want to acquire a DistroKid discount so you may upload your music to Spotify, Apple Music, and other services as cheaply as possible. DistroKid does not currently provide any discount codes, promo codes, or sales. Instead, they have VIP links that automatically apply a 7% discount to your order. Spotify success through Facebook ads. Although Facebook ads can be difficult to set up, there is no doubting that they are fantastic for increasing Spotify streams and getting your song in front of the genuine fans. If you are a musician, artist, or music producer interested in using Facebook ads to grow and improve your Spotify streams, I have created this absolutely free course particularly for you. So you may believe that growing your Spotify streams with Facebook ads requires a large sum of money or a degree in rocket science. That, however, is totally false. However, it would be incorrect to believe that Facebook ads will be simple or that they are the only way to succeed on Spotify. So before we proceed, I'd like to dispel some fallacies about Facebook ads and Spotify growth so you know precisely what you're getting yourself into. The first is that running Facebook ads requires a large budget. Although a larger budget will yield faster results, it is still feasible to achieve excellent outcomes without breaking the bank. Each month, I spend between 100 to 200 CAD on campaigns and zero on other tools and services such as music linking, mixing, mastering, video production, and so on. Another myth is that Facebook ads for Spotify growth have little return on investment, or ROI. Here's the reality. There will never be a standard return on investment of $3 in Spotify royalties for each and every $1 spent in Facebook ads. As a result of successful launches, you'll see an increase in admirers, a better image, and extra data resources for developing marketing strategies, i.e. pixel data, so you can retarget your listeners with other offers. Most independent musicians will make a little amount of money by gradually expanding their back catalog of music or by receiving a bump in streams from algorithmic or editorial playlists. The final myth is that your first Facebook ad will generate millions of streams. Running Facebook ads well is a talent, and like any skill, you will struggle at first. Growing your streams with Facebook ads requires persistence and momentum. It is not a magic cash grab strategy that requires no effort on your behalf. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.